Shalom lekulam and welcome back to another video of Hebrew Ways. Today we're going to do another story called Hamishpacha Shel Yonatan, Jonathan's family. Okay, I'm going to learn about him and his family here. It's going to start all in Hebrew and then we'll see also in English. For those of us that are new, I'm going to show you how it looks like, the kind of intro before, and then we're going to just get started. So get ready, get a glass of water. We're starting. First of all, we're going to be reading it without English, just the Hebrew transliteration with it, and then with the English translation. We'll break it down everything. It's going to be really fun. Yalla. Matchilim, we're starting. Shalom. Ani Yonatan Levi. Ani ben 8. אני אוהב לשחק כדורגל. אני גר בחיפה עם המשפחה שלי. אבא שלי רופא. הוא עובד בבית חולים. אמא שלי מורה. היא עובדת בבית ספר. אח שלי חייל. הוא בצבא. הוא בן 19. אחותי לומדת בבית ספר. היא בת 16. יש לנו חתול, קוראים לו מקס. הוא אוהב רק לאכול ולישון. Okay, we did it. So I just finished reading the whole Hebrew section. I hope you guys understood most of it. If you didn't understand anything, it's okay. We're going to do lots of learning and seeing it first with the translation. I'm starting. Shalom, ani Yonatan Levi. Hi, hello, my name is Jonathan Levi. Ani ben 8. I am 8 years old. 8 is 8. When I say ben, in this case it means years old for a boy, masculine. אני אוהב לשחק כדורגל. I like to play. כדורגל is soccer, football. The European football. אני גר בחיפה עם המשפחה שלי. I live in Haifa, the city, with my family. משפחה is family. אבא שלי רופא. My dad is a doctor. רופא, doctor. הוא עובד בבית חולים. He works in a hospital. בית חולים, hospital. So far this is great. Okay. אמא שלי מורה. My mom is a teacher. מורה is teacher for a woman. היא עובדת בבית ספר. Makes sense. She works in a school. בית ספר is school. Okay, a little bit more. אח שלי חייל. My brother, אח is brother. אח שלי חייל is a soldier. הוא בצבא. He is in the army. הוא בן 19. So we said ben is like years old in this case. He is 19 is the number 19. So when I say הוא בן 19, he is 19 years old. Okay, a little bit more. אחותי לומדת בבית ספר. אחותי is a shortcut for אחות שלי, my sister. אחותי לומדת בבית ספר. Studies is learning in school, at school. היא בת 16. So when I said Ben is years old, that was for masculine, for a man. But if it's for a woman, we usually say bat. A bit like bat mitzvah. So when I say היא בת 16, she is 16 years old. יש לנו חתול. We have a cat. קוראים לו Max. His name is Max. הוא אוהב רק לאכול ולישון. He loves, likes, רק is like only or just. He only likes to eat and to sleep. לאכול ולישון. Wow. Okay, this is good. Even for me, I'm like, it's sometimes a lot of information laid out. So if it's a lot for you, don't worry. We're doing great. I want us to do a bit of key vocabulary from this whole text here, this story. Let's start with some of them here. Ben. We said Ben is years old. Could also mean a son or the name Ben. Great. Shmone is the number 8, shmone. Kaduregel is what we say in Israel is football, for like soccer in the US. Kaduregel, my favorite sport. Bechaifa, be is in. So Bechaifa is in Haifa, the city. Im is with. And hamishpacha sheli is my family. Now we can break it down even more. Sheli is my. We say like Abba sheli, my dad, Ima sheli. We say hamishpacha sheli, the family of mine. Yeah. Okay, good. So far this is great. Abba sheli, my dad or my father. And then rofe. We said that his dad is a rofe, is a doctor. Rofe is doctor for a man. And then he works in Beit Cholim. Beit Cholim is a hospital. Now let's see. Ima sheli, my mom or my mother. Ima is mother. Ima sheli is my mom. And mora. Mora, we said it was a teacher. So Ima sheli mora is like my mom is a teacher. And then the place is Beit Sefer. Beit Sefer means school. Okay, let's see this one now. Ach sheli. Ach sheli means my brother. Hayal is a soldier. And tzava is army. We said that he's batzava, in the army. Great. Achoti is how we say my sister. People can say achot sheli, but it's more common to say achoti, my sister. Chatul is a cat, a male cat, chatul. And korim lo is like saying they call him. His name is. Korim lo Max, we said. Great. Let's see some of the verbs also. So we said ani gar. Ani gar is I live, I reside somewhere. Great. Hu oved, we said like he works. Oved is work, working. And he ovedet for his mom in the school. He ovedet meaning she works, she is working. Lomedet is learn or study in the feminine because his sister. Great. Yesh lanu. Okay, we have yesh lanu. That's great. It's not actually a verb, but I'll keep it here. And hu ohev. hu ohev is like he loves or he likes. Great. So this is the whole story laid out like this. I'll do a tiny quick reading. שלום, אני יונתן לוי, אני בן 8, אני אוהב לשחק כדורגל, אני גר בחיפה עם המשפחה שלי, אבא שלי רופא, הוא עובד בבית חולים, אמא שלי מורה, היא עובדת בבית ספר, אח שלי חייל, הוא בצבא, הוא בן 19, אחותי לומדת בבית ספר, היא בת 16. יש לנו חתול, קוראים לו מקס. הוא אוהב רק לאכול ולישון. Amazing. So this was it for the whole story of Jonathan's family. I hope you enjoyed the video, and also, of course, wanted to let you know that if you're really serious about learning Hebrew, feel free to join our community or the course. You have like a free trial for the community. You can join, see how it's like. It's really fun. The community is amazing. We talk a lot. And the course is if you really want to hone in and focus on learning the basic structure of Hebrew, how to get from just a few words to sentences and conversational Hebrew, then feel free to check it out also. And you guys also have the free Hebrew guide. It's fun if you're flying to Israel, if you're going to practice a few like really necessary words. This is for free. You can download and print it as a gift. Toda rabba, guys, you're the best, and I hope you have an amazing day. God bless you. See you soon. Yalla bye, להתראות. Toda.